and flu, and when they become persistent, they become Newcastle, can be so dangerous to your flock. So please make sure that you try as much as possible to make sure that your flock is not attacked by these dangerous diseases. So because when they attack your flock, you can spend a lot of money and you can make a huge loss trying to eliminate this funny disease from your flock. So in today's video, allow me to discuss with you how you can use ash and aloe vera to treat this Newcastle and cough within a period of 3 to 4 days. This aloe vera, as a farmer, you're supposed to be having it at your farm because it has a lot of benefits to your chicken. So today, as you can see, I have planted a lot of it and I'm still going to plant more because it is so useful. Today we are going to use this aloe vera and ash to treat a Newcastle and cough. So let me pick the aloe vera. So you just cut, and as you can see, we can be harvesting a lot of this aloe vera. You can see. At my farm, I got an outbreak of Newcastle. This is what I used to treat that Newcastle. I'm telling you, I spent a lot of money trying to buy the antibiotics and they failed up to when I used this ash and this aloe vera and I chased away the cough and Newcastle from my bud within a period of 3 days. So you just get your aloe vera and then you clean it so well, wash away all the germs that could be contained on the leaves. So you wash it so well, be careful because it has thorns. And then after doing that, you remove the thorns, you cut them off. So you just cut your aloe vera into very small pieces and you give each and everything to your bud. Don't throw away anything. So as you can see this white thing, I'm putting it in the water and then the rest you cut into very small pieces and you put in your water. So you cut into small pieces. This cough is so dangerous because when your flock gets this cough, they are not going to give you eggs and then they lose the appetite. They do not eat feed. And do you know what happens when your birds don't eat? You don't get eggs. And when you do not get the eggs, that is money that is going. So this cough is so dangerous. That is why we have to learn these natural remedies on how to treat these things because they are actually the ones which are working. Actually, when you give this ash to your chicken, you will notice that some of them are going to vomit. You see these chicken which can be sleeping, they can be sleeping, just standing in one place and sleeping, not eating. The next morning you will find it seeing and then trying to move. That is how strong this ash can be and the aloe vera. You stir it and make sure that the water is having aloe vera, you just get your ash and mix. So you mix everything. So this is how it looks like. So do not mind what you come up with. Just give to your chicken as they are. The chicken are going to drink. When the chicken drink this solution, you will notice that some of them will bring out, should I call it like vomiting? So by vomiting, they will be eradicating all the toxins which are causing them to cough and which are causing that mucus. And I'm telling you, after like 2-4 days, you're going to find all your chickens okay, because I'm telling you, it helped my chicken. Right now they are okay, and after using a lot of medicine, this is what cured my bad. So you just put in your drinkers. And then when you're giving this solution to the bird, you do like when you're going to vaccinate. So you first serve your chicken for about 4 hours, and then you put this solution in your drinkers and enter it. Those birds will be thirsty, they will drink it very fast. That way the quantity that they will take will be enough, and it will be so helpful. So this is how you prepare the solution, and then you be able to take your birds. So even when your birds are not sick, you're supposed to be giving this ash and aloe vera to your bird. Actually, you're supposed to be giving this solution to your birds once in a week or twice in a week. You know, prevention is better than cure. So if at all you do not want your bird to cough and then Newcastle, you better prevent. And you know the benefits of ash, which we talked about in the previous video. So if you give this to your bird, you will be helping them to achieve all those benefits that we talked about. This solution, I'm going to give it to the chicken that I still have in the nursery, those that were so badly off. So I'm still treating with this solution, and I'm very sure that within like 2 days they will be better. So you give I want to encourage all of you to use these natural remedies. This channel, if you haven't subscribed to it, please subscribe. We talk a lot about these natural remedies on how to treat diseases, such that we can be able to eliminate diseases from our farms. And by doing that way, we shall be able to make a lot of money, because if you do not spend on diseases, which means you're pocketing all the money that you're making at your farm. So thank you so much for watching me. See you in my next video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.